Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Roblox Studio and signing into the account that owns or will use the decal. Once done, open View and enable the Asset Manager so you can upload and organize images. This is faster than the website for in-project work. Make sure your image is PNG or JPG and reasonably sized, under about 1024 by 1024, because smaller files upload faster and reduce memory usage. This helps performance in Studio and on players' devices. Next, upload the file through Asset Manager. Click the plus, choose Upload Image, and pick your file so it becomes a decal asset. You should name it clearly and add tags for easy searching later. Set permissions: public if anyone uses it, private if only your games need it. Once uploaded, right-click to copy the asset ID for scripting or insert the decal directly into a part to preview how it wraps and scales. This step verifies the visual and collision fit. Finally, apply the decal to a part by adding a decal or texture object and setting its texture property to the asset ID you copied. Choose the face that matches orientation and tweak size so it looks correct. If the image doesn't appear, make sure permissions allow viewing, confirm the upload completed, and check for problematic alpha channels or dimensions. Test in play mode and on target devices, because caching can show old images. Replace the asset ID or rootload if you still see the wrong image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.